workload to come in.
Yeah, no, it's going to get good. So
Yeah.
basically, what we're going to end up doing, I don't know how we're going to be submitting it, but basically, we're going to end up with making a slideshow presentation. And what the slideshow is going to say is, so this is our null, this is our alternative, and then the next slide is going to say, this is how we collected our data. Then the next thing we're going to say is, this is the, like, what kind of a study we conducted and what we learned from that study and what we feel like a hypothesis would be about our findings. So that's all on a slideshow,
Okay.
which I think, I don't know if you noticed on the page that I sent you through email, the one that I was like, use this one.
Yeah.
I've added names next to the parts that we're going to each be responsible for.
Mm-hmm.
And those parts are part of the study, like part of the slideshow. Okay.
Maybe I might have opened the. Let's see. Because I'm looking at.
So open the,
It was a Word document, right? That designed the study.
it says tire project.
Oh, that one.
Wait, are you talking about the one I sent to your personal email?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Design the study tires.
Yeah, tires. That one's the one we need. The other one you can delete.
Okay.
Hey guys, sorry.
Hey, no problem.
Hello.
Hello. My 2-year-old is already banging on my door, so I might have to check on her in just a minute.
Hey, no problem. We were just talking a little bit about the project.
What was that?
We were just talking about the project a little bit. Everything seems all right.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Alba was
have you heard
reminding me
back?
that there's like a 3-question IRB quiz. Did you notice that? Or design the
Yes.
study self-report quiz. You took care of that?
Yes.
All right,
Thank you.
cool. I just did it. Apparently it was still available, so that's good.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then what's the next step? I mean, Alba and I are going to record tire manufacturers around here. And then when's the next thing due?
So that part is, so the collect and describe the data is due December 2nd. I'm opening it up right now to see what it says. What we're going to do is you're going to do, how many cars did we say?
I
15
think it was
and
25
15?
each.
Oh,
Yeah.
25 each.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so we go look at 25 cars, look at and see like what brand their four tires are, collect that, put, and then you already sent out a sheet, right?
Yeah.
And so I'll be putting my data on that sheet that you sent out.
Yeah.
And okay, so I opened up the project, the collecting data.
Mm-hmm.
What's the name of your group members? Search question, which we'll have, we already did that. That's super, it's like a super easy assignment.
Okay. And then after that, we'll get down to crunch time for everything else.
Yeah.
But we haven't heard back any feedback yet, right? On whether we have to change anything.
Sorry, what was that? I was reading.
No, you're fine. I said we haven't heard feedback yet, right? On whether we have to change stuff. Because I think he was saying that he's that there wasn't a group yet that they didn't have to alter their project a little bit. So I'm expecting we'll have to change something, you know, or a little here and there. But
yeah, he hasn't just like he emailed me, and what he said is he really liked the proposal. That he's never seen something like this be done, so he was excited to see it be done. But
cool.
That's what I got for feedback so far.
Alrighty. Okay, good to know.
Hey, honestly, I can take care of the describe and collect your data that's due December 2nd. As long as you get me your data before December 2nd, I can totally do this. Like, I'm looking at this, it's super simple. And I'll probably do it with like my tutor just to help me have her help me create the right graphs.
Okay.
And that will be it.
Okay. Okay. And then
Cool.
I'll do the PowerPoint at the end.
Yeah, I think so, because I don't know what's due after December 2nd, but we can look at that
Oh, I
then.
see what you're saying. Yeah, for the December 2nd due date. Gotcha. Okay.
Okay. Sweet. So let's start on our quiz.
Okay.
Nice.
I'll be right back.
Okay. All right.
But you
So
can go
for
ahead.
this
I'll
one,
catch up.
okay. Which set of hypothesis is appropriate for addressing the research question? I honestly don't understand how we're supposed to know this. Do you?
Let's see. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the question? Let's see. The research question is, do men's voting preferences differ significantly from women's? So the null would be so I guess
So, okay.
it's probably not B. It's either A or C. Since we're asking if they are different, not if they're the same, then the null would be that they're not independent. I just remember I was struggling with null and alternative last time and went to reject.
Okay. Oh, yeah. So I feel like the alternative is typically are not independent. And the alternative is usually are not independent, and the null is usually are independent, I think.
Yeah, because in the question that they're asking specifically is like, do the preferences differ? So the null is at the opposite of the question. It would be, right? So the null
Yeah.
would be the null are the preferences are the same, meaning they're not independent.
Yeah. So which letter are you going with? Because for me, I think it's D, but I don't know what you're thinking.
I only see three options. Are you on quiz
Oh,
L19?
yes, I'm sorry. I meant C.
Okay, sorry. I got worried. Okay, so usually when we do a 50-50, you're right, but we can try it anyway.
Or you can pick another, and then either way, we'll get the score.
Yeah, okay, I'll just do A then, just for fun.
And then when we get Cheryl back, we'll get, for sure one of us will get it right.
Right.
All right. What is the equation for computing degrees of freedom? I don't remember this. Let me see. Degrees of
Usually the
freedom.
number of rows minus 1 times number.
Yeah?
Well,
Yeah, you're right.
yeah,
Number of rows minus 1
yeah,
times number of rows minus 1,
yeah, so C.
right?
Yeah,
So
it's
I'm
always
not sure.
the -1 situation.
Nice.
Okay. Hey guys.
Oh,
Just pulling up the quiz now. How's it going so far?
super good. So we think the first one is either A or C, and that's what
But
we
if
have
you
to.
want to click on B,
Okay. Then we can test them both.
all of them.
I know, right?
Okay.
Shoot.
So when
Okay.
they talk about numbers of rows and columns, is that like Republican, Democrat, and stuff like that, or is it inside of the chiropractor one? Oh, we don't need that yet, right?
I don't think we need this yet. So
Okay.
it's saying what's the degrees of freedom for this problem, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you said number of rows minus 1 times number of columns minus 1. Oh, no. So we have,
Is that 4 and 3?
oh my Lanta, I don't remember this and I just did it. Let me see.
Number
Or is
of
that 3 and
rows.
3? Because I'm just looking at the voting preference table.
Yeah, I feel like it's just probably 3 and 3. I don't think the totals is included,
Okay.
but I could be wrong.
So it's 2 and 2, meaning 4?
Oh my Lanta, I'm not sure. I'm looking at the book right now to see if I can figure this out, but I don't
Yeah,
know.
I'm on the book too. Number of rows minus 1 times number of columns minus 1.
Do you include
There's,
the total column?
So C. Sorry, were you guys on question 4? I'm sorry.
I think we're
You're
on.
not, are you?
Yeah, we're on. 4. Yeah, we picked C, and then we were doing 5
Yeah.
to try to apply that to the to
Gotcha.
question, whatever the voting preference
So
chart.
the-
I'm guessing.
Okay, so the number of rows would be 3, and the number of columns is 4.
Yeah. So do we count the total column?
Oh,
That
I
is,
see what you're saying.
that's a statistic, right? Kind of. Yeah.
I have no idea.
Yeah, you probably wouldn't count the one that has just the names in it, yeah. But I would
Yeah,
guess
that makes sense.
that you would count the total. Let's try. Yeah, let's try it with the total.
There's an example of it in
Why
the
can't I
book.
find that?
So in the book, it says, well, it just says under, so there's the chart of motivation. And then if you go down through their bullet points,
Okay.
let's see, the bullet point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, the 5th bullet point says degrees of freedom equals 8.
Oh,
So I'm trying to figure out how they did that with that table.
okay. Which would be
Oh, wait a minute.
6 minus
Hold on.
1. So if they included the total, then it would be 6 minus 1 times 4 minus 1. So 5 times 3. So that's 15. So that's not right. So maybe you just include the columns that have numbers and you don't include the total. Let's try that. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, which is 4, times 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. Is that right?
Let's, wait,
Oh, sorry,
what?
3 minus 1, which would be 2. 4 times 2 is 8. It wasn't 8,
Yeah,
right?
that's right. How did you do that?
Was it 8? Was that the right answer?
Yeah, it was 8.
Okay, so what I did was I just ignored both of the total column, the total column and the total row. So I did,
Okay.
yeah, all the other rows. So nothing with the titles in it and nothing with the totals. So it was
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns.
2, 3. So for us, it's
5
3 and
minus
3.
1.
Is that right?
So for this one, it would be 1, 2, 3 minus 1 times 1, 2 minus 1. 3 minus 1 times 2 minus 1. Right?
3 minus 1
If we're going to mimic
times.
that.
So 3.
So 2 times 1. So it would just be 2. It doesn't seem like enough, but let's give that a try. Are you guys cutting out? Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay.
We're
We
just
might be losing.
sitting in stumped silence, I guess.
Let's try that. Because if it's supposed to be the number of rows minus 1, the number of columns minus 1, if the
You
sample one,
I can't hear you. You got two.
But you might be cutting out. Maybe you're right. Well, on number 5,
Two.
I will guess 4. Hey, I can hear you.
okay, and I'm gonna guess 2, and we'll see what happens. Okay, 6. Are the requirements for conducting an x squared test for independence met by this data set?
I literally don't know what you guys
We heard you say I literally don't know why.
And then you
put
come out
down.
again.
Oh, nope, you're gone again.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so requirement 1, you must use simple random sampling.
Number
And 2, each expected count must be greater or equal to 5. Okay.
Sorry, what was the last part?
Each expected count must be greater than or equal to 5. Which I guess that means every statistic in each square has to be at least 5. That's what I'm thinking.
Right. So, yes, all are greater than 5 in at least one cell. But it doesn't say in at least one cell, does it? Oh,
right.
So A maybe?
So the broadcast dropped for a minute there.
Hello.
And so I don't know if it started over, I think. I don't know if it picks up from the last part.
Okay.
Okay, well, hopefully we get credit anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. What did you guys get for number 5 and for number 6?
For
number
5, we were guessing different things. I was doing 4.
Yeah. And I'm going to do 2, and we're going to see what happens.
Okay.
And 6, we did A.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you, guys. Okay.
And the value of the x squared test statistic for the problem.
This is probably something we could do with the data, huh? In Excel.
I'm pulling it up right now. We should be able to.
Okay.
If I can get my computer to pull it up. There we go.
So is this what we put in the chi-square?
Yeah, for that.
And we don't use the totals then? Yeah.
I don't think so. Because I guess.
It'll do that automatically.
Yeah, that's true. Exactly. That's why. When you said that, it made sense. But yeah.
Sweet.
All right, I'm inputting all the numbers.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to catch up, but my thing is being so slow.
It's all right.
Yeah, it's gonna open that data up for like tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, what do you have for p-value? Oh, and for DF, I have 3. So maybe Alba should put 3.
Okay, I'll put 3.
Yay.
1 second.
Okay.
I kind of believe the Excel document.
The Excel? Yeah, probably. That would, it should get it right. Okay, what do you have for p-value?
All right, so I'll go ahead and do 3.
So, why is it 3?
I don't know.
I don't know. We're going to have to reread that part of the text.
Oh, my DF is 4.
What? What's your p-value?
0.0028.
All right, we got different information.
Oh, great.
I don't know because I can't open it. Oh, I'm frustrated. It's like, I know there's always a portion where it's like if it's like if you're doing equal or greater or less than. Is there anything like that?
Oh, maybe. I don't see it this time. Why does mine look so weird? Okay. Garrett, can you see what I screwed up?
No. I see a table.
And it looks the same as yours?
I mean, I literally see a table, like that you eat
Yeah.
on or something.
Oh, not the one I did. Sorry.
Is that your
So
wall? I guess it's your wall.
I've got I've got 250 in column 1 and 200 below it. Column 2, 300, 150. Column 3, 50, 50. Column 4, 600, 400.
50-50.
Yeah.
Did you cut out for a second? Oh, yeah. Okay,
No.
I got you. 50-50.
Under independent. Yeah.
Yeah. No,
Did
I mean, that sounds
you
really.
screw it up?
I don't know. I'm gonna do a screen share,
What in the
and
world?
that's what I'm looking at.
Okay.
Wait, you guys can do what? You guys can do a screen share? You're so cool.
Wait. Oh no, where to go? Alba, you can't talk. Otherwise I can't see it.
Okay, I'll say something.
Oh.
Okay, yes. 250, 200, 500, 1. Oh, wait. Oh no, that's 300. 50, 50, 100. You are missing column 4. 400 and 600.
I'll do it. Wait, what are they? 400 and 600?
Sorry, 600's at the top and then 400.
Oh, that's in the totals over here.
What? Is that why I screwed up? Oh my gosh, yep, good call. Okay. That's why my numbers are all messed up. Okay, sorry, that took forever.
Yeah.
Oh, well, now I have degrees of freedom as 2. But I'm missing one column that you have on the bottom is totals. Where you put 450, your third row. Isn't that supposed to be totals also? Yeah.
Totals.
That's
Oh, yeah,
called
so
totals.
I
So you
shouldn't
have to
have
pull
those.
those off. Yep.
Oh, we both
So we
messed up.
both
That's so
threw
tricky.
in
I don't know what's
totals.
happening, but I'm curious.
Okay.
So it
now
is
I have
2.
degrees of freedom as 2, which I do know how they got that. They just took, it's actually easier to look at it on the Excel. So keep your Excel up. You see how you have 3 columns and you have 2 rows?
There's 2 times 1?
No. So, I mean, yes, but the way you do that is yes, you do the columns minus 1 times the number of rows minus 1.
And none of the totals.
You got that, Alba?
Good.
Okay, so now I have p-value 0.0003.
Okay, p-value. Wait, what did you get for your... Do we not know that still?
For what?
Yeah, you can
Test
look
statistic?
at my screen. Got that stuff over here.
Let me see.
Why did my front door just close? I'll be right back.
Okay, let's see. What is it saying? Oh, 16.204?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 16.204. And then your p-value says
0.0003.
3 zeros and then a 3?
Yeah.
Are you
Which
sure?
is so annoying when they say round to 3 decimal places. Because you're like, oh,
Yeah.
Are you sure?
That would just be zeros in this case. I don't know.
Yeah, it would. Which that's happened before. We've done that on a quiz before, so.
And how did that go?
Yep, and it worked.
Okay.
So what is our p-value? P-value is like super tiny. So because it's super tiny, we
reject the null. which means that there is sufficient evidence to suggest the opposite. So it's either A or B
So there's sufficient evidence.
or D. But I didn't read them yet. Sorry.
And the question was, are they different? So does that make the null, they are the same? We already talked about this, I think.
Yeah. Would mean that they're dependent on each other for the null or something. So it's
Okay,
not
well, it's
B.
not B.
Yeah.
And then
I think it's the last one.
do you want one of us to try the first one?
Yeah, that works.
I'll do the last one.
Okay.
Awesome. What number are we on? Let's see. There it is. 10. Okay. The conditions for conducting a chi-square test are satisfied. Well, the null and the alternative look good. And then
And that's different than the x squared test? Yeah?
I think so. Conditions for that. Let's see.
What are you looking at right now?
Number 10.
Are you on question 10? Okay.
Yeah.
So we have a new chart. The conditions for
Because I know the requirements for the x squared test, but I don't know the ones for the
I think
the
that's chi-squared. I think that's chi. I think you're right. I think it's the same thing.
Okay.
Okay, let's do yes. It's a 50-50, right?
That's so frustrating, but yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I guess. I can try it first.
Okay.
And then we're dealing with 1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness, this is gonna frustrate me so bad that I can't do the data. Okay,
I'm
let's try
putting them
again.
in right now.
So we're doing 4 times 2, so the degrees of freedom would be 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna, I mean, because doesn't the table give it to you if you do it right? I just need to
It
does.
do it with you guys.
Yeah.
Just
So
exercise.
hopefully we'll be able to verify.
Yeah. Good mental workout there, Garrett.
Thank you.
That's awesome. Clap for that one.
5. Oops. 82.
Okay. Oh, this one only has one count, is that right? Is that normal?
Sorry, I'm almost done. Okay. Chart outline, degrees of freedom equals 8.
Yay.
Is that what you got to, Garrett? Woohoo!
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Good job, Garrett.
Thanks.
All right, test statistic is 7.436.
36?
436, yeah. And the p-value is 0.4904, which means that it stays a 0. So 0.490.
Okay.
Okay.
And your test statistic was 7.436?
Yeah.
That's what I got too.
Good. Okay, so
This
there
p-value
is
feels less.
insufficient evidence.
Wait, really?
Because it's higher than, oh, I'm so sorry. It's not. Yeah, because 0.05 and we got 0.4.
Oh yeah, you're completely right. Sorry.
No, that's cool.
I made you guess.
So that means
So is
that
it
it
B?
would be Yeah, it has to be B. It's the only one.
Okay.
That kind of scares me, though.
I
There's only
know.
one insufficient. I'm like, shoot, what did I mess up? But I guess we'll
All
find
right.
out.
So I'll submit first.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I'm still
I'll
screen sharing if you
submit too.
guys. All right. Well,
I
question
don't know
3
if we
is
have
not
all the same
A.
answers or not.
Question 3 is not A. Okay, what did I click for that one?
I think everyone else did C, probably.
Something different, right?
All right, let me look.
That's probably C, is my guess.
I did A and it's not A.
Right. I think
Okay,
it's
well,
C, but we'll find
I'll
out.
do B. Yeah, probably, because we're not talking about Republicans and Democrats, right?
I think we were up there. Wait, you mean?
I don't know.
If you went by voting preferences.
So you do B and I'll do C.
All right,
All right.
deal.
And then number 9, the answer is not D.
Oh, really? Dang it. Wait, what did I put?
So it's got to be another sufficient. Well, I'll do A and you do B.
Okay, I have A, yep.
Oh, sorry. Okay, then I'll do B. Okay, which I'm thinking that maybe it is, because maybe we are talking. I didn't realize we were talking so much about Democrats and Republicans, but maybe we are.
Yeah.
Okay, anything else, Garrett?
That's it. So I guess one of you can submit and see how it goes.
I'll submit. Yeah. Oh, we both have to, because well, I guess I can do it.
Just in case we'll know if it's wrong or right, I guess.
Yeah, and then she can just change it right there if she wants. All right, 3 is not B.
Okay, so 3.
We nailed that question. And 9 is not B either.
Dang it.
Okay.
Right?
So 3 has to
Fails.
be
So
C.
Alba, yours should be all right. Because 3 has to be
Should
C
be
and
A.
9
Okay.
has to be, well, it doesn't, but we're pretty sure that it's A.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, roll the dice.
Check my numbers with y'all. So I have for number 5, 2. And then for number 7, 16.204. And for number 8, 0.0003.
No, 0.000.
Or just 0. I gotta correct for 0.
For just 0? Okay. I guess that's true.
0. Beautiful. And
Well, I'm going to need a little more work on this chapter. Oh, you're cutting out again.
Should be good then. I will submit this.
You're cutting out again.
But I heard that she was gonna submit it. That's what she said. Hopefully her internet lets her do it.
We can hear the answers, hopefully.
But no, wait, I missed one. What did I miss?
Oh no.
Wow.
Let's see. I don't know what I missed. Let's see.
Was it number 9? Did we just totally screw that one up?
Maybe it was. Maybe it was let's see, number 9. What is it? This one? I missed I missed 12. So I must have heard wrong or something.
Oh, yeah.
So I had 0.436.
Oh yeah, there's a 7 at the beginning of that.
Oh,
7
awesome.
point. Yeah.
Okay. That's okay. Technical difficulties, guys.
Go. Okay,
yeah.
but it's okay.
I think you were looking at my screen for that one. Maybe the button just didn't go down all the way.
But number 9 is, what was number 9 again?
9.
Oh.
A?
Number 9 is A, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, then I guess we can just fill in the answers now. We've got them, and 3 is C, right?
See, 3 is C.
B as in boy or C?
No,
Well, I
C as in
think-
cat.
What did you do? I did B, and that was wrong.
I did A, and that was wrong.
And I did.
Okay, so,
Okay, yeah.
so it's got to be C. All right. Do you need to go, Alba?
I do, guys. And like,
Okay,
this is perfect because I will be only like 5 minutes late. That's not terrible.
Oh, good.
So,
Okay. Well, good luck.
All right, thanks.
thank you, guys. I'm going to go ahead and end this. And
Okay.
then, just Garrett, I'm going to send you one more text message because we have to make sure that we do randomize the way we select the cars at the parking lot. And I'll just
Mhm.
let you know how we're going to do that if that's not too big of a deal.
That's fine.
Awesome. Okay,
All right.
bye,
Thanks,
guys.
guys. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.